Hey YouTube, I know a lot of y'all probably have these kind of lights sitting around the garage, probably with the bulb blowed out. We've got the quartz lamp in them. They get really hot. You could probably fry an egg on them. Both of mine are blown out. I found a LED lamp on Amazon, and I'm gonna put that in, and we'll see how that works. All right, bye. All right, I got the both of the LED lamps installed. I didn't have to bend anything. They took and just went right in there just like the quartz lights does, and fit perfect. And when it gets dark, we'll come back and check out how much light it puts out. Right now it's daylight, you can't really tell, so we'll come back at nighttime and check it out. Hey everybody, it's nighttime now. Let's try these lights out and see how good they shine. Turn it on. One of them on here. There you go. Pretty bright. Lights up good. Lights up whole side of the house. That's awesome. I'll say it's well worth the money I spent for these lamps. Alright. Come on. That's the difference. That's just one light. There's both lights. Awesome. All right, YouTube. I'll see you later. Bye.